Welcome to the Governed Payer Clinical Intelligence Fleet Demo. Every enterprise AI demo asks the same question: how much can the agent do on its own? But in healthcare administration, where prior authorization backlogs and claim denial appeals cost over $30 billion annually, that is the wrong question for compliance teams. A health plan or hospital network cannot survive an AI agent leaking protected health information across roles, or emailing a patient an unapproved care plan. So we inverted the design. This project is not interesting because the agents are autonomous. It is interesting because of what they are structurally unable to do, and because those limits are enforced in code rather than requested in a prompt. Here in our clinical command ledger, we inspect our fleet agent registry. Every agent advertises its scope and explicit autonomy grade. Notice that both the Payer Intelligence Agent and Clinical Growth Agent are registered strictly as drafts only. 0 tools in their catalog contain send or dispatch in their names. Crucially, roles are server-derived. Authentication tokens are passed via the X-Fleet token header. No tool function accepts a role or employee ID parameter. The Gemini model literally lacks the vocabulary to claim or escalate permissions, guaranteed by automated reflection tests across every Python function signature. Now let us trace a claim event through our asynchronous event stream. When a claim denial event arrives on PubSub, the fleet coordinator routes it through a two-stage pipeline. Stage 1 is security, a SQL where predicate executes first, filtering out unauthorized documents before rows enter memory. If a clinician requests confidential payer fee schedules, they receive an empty set, not a model-composed refusal. Stage 2 is quality, vector cosine similarity ranks the permitted candidates, and Gemini 3.5 flash-through Vertex AI synthesizes a grounded answer. Every response must cite its source document ID, such as PayPal 101, enforcing 100% grounded precision. Next, let us look at how we protect external communications using our isolated human approval gate. The payer agent drafts a prior authorization packet complete with an HL7FHIR version 4 claim bundle. But drafting is the end of its reach. Sending and dispatching are HTTP-only endpoints completely absent from the agent's toolset. Watch what happens when an unapproved premature dispatch is attempted. The system refuses with an HTTP 409 conflict error. No unapproved draft can ever reach a patient or payer. Now, our chief medical officer logs in via server identity. As a human supervisor, Dr. Pendleton inspects the HL7FHIR bundle and clicks approve followed by dispatch. The action executes via HTTP status 200. In addition, our bulk dry run simulation engine allows medical operations teams to stress test batch claim denial events prior to production, verifying 0 unapproved dispatches across thousands of records. 100% of these interactions, including security refusals and role blocks, are written to an append-only audit log. Finally, our metrics endpoint exposes real-time Prometheus stream health and threshold monitoring, tracking stream compliance ratios and active agent counts for OpenTelemetry dashboarding. By combining Gemini 3.5 Flash, Google ADK, server-derived RBAC, SQL pre-filtering, and HTTP 409 approval gates, we built a zero-trust multi-agent system that proves security in code. Try the live app at payerclinicalintelligence.streamlit.app. Thank you.